So, sir, how are you?
Good. I'm feeling great.
So you're here in the about to start the surgery now. So we want to hear about your feelings. I mean, how was the welcoming at the airport? And how was the hotel? Could you take your sleep? How was the breakfast and everything?
Yeah, everything was great. It was amazing. It's more than I was expecting. Coming here, was something a little bit different. But as soon as I met my driver, I felt comfortable. Coming to the hotel too, it was a nice hotel and a good breakfast. Had a lot of stuff, a lot of options, and I'm ready for
Very good. Okay.
hoping for the best.
Are you nervous, by the way?
It's a little bit, yeah. Mostly tired,
Yeah.
because of the time, difference.
Yeah, that's right. You're coming from New York, right?
Yes, correct.
Very good. So one more question, sir. So you even send us a good amount of deposit without we ask this for you.
Yes.
So wasn't it risky for you to send, a deposit to people you don't know? You of course make your research.
Well, yes, like you said, I made my research. Mostly, I saw the videos on YouTube about you guys. So from there, I was just, I felt comfortable. I said, okay, these are real people,
Yeah.
and I'm playing around, and everything's it's gonna go smooth. So, I was speaking to you, and I also remember that I told you if you talk to me from the Instagram, remember?
Yeah.
And just to confirm. So from there, I felt
More comfortable.
more comfortable. Yeah, correct.
Okay, thank you, sir. So
You're welcome.
see you after the procedure then.
And hope for the results. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.